Using desktop recordings as an instructor can greatly enhance your teaching effectiveness and student engagement for several reasons. It allows for visual learning. Desktop recordings allow you to record course content, software, or websites, making complex concepts easier to understand. It allows for accessibility. Recordings can be made available for students to review at their own pace. This is especially helpful for those who may need to revisit certain topics. It creates engagement. Incorporating multimedia elements into your lessons can keep students more engaged. Interactive elements or real-time demonstrations can make learning more dynamic and engaging. It fosters a community. Creating desktop recordings with your class can create a sense of community, as students can see and hear your voice, making it possible to connect with you. It also makes the classroom experience feel more personal and supportive. It supports diverse learning styles. Not all students learn in the same way. Some may excel with visual and auditory information, making recordings an excellent tool for accommodating different learning preferences. Allows for feedback and improvement. Reviewing your recorded sessions can help you elevate your teaching style and identify areas for improvement, allowing you to enhance your delivery for future classes. Overall, desktop recording can be a valuable tool to supplement your teaching and provide a richer educational experience for your students. Microsoft Clipchamp is a free online video editor that simplifies video creation. It offers intuitive tools that make it easy to create videos without requiring extensive technical skills. Users can combine videos, images, and audio. Once editing is complete, videos can be easily saved to your device. Unlike many other editors, Clipchamp operates in your browser without needing software downloads. To start recording with Clipchamp, start by going to app.clipchamp.com. Please note that you can only use Clipchamp on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. To continue, either create an account or sign up with your email. To start recording your video, click on Create a New Video. Select Record and Create. Select the type of recording you will be doing. Make sure to have your microphone and camera enabled. Click on the red button to start recording. You also have the option of turning on Speaker Coach. This will analyze your recording speech, including pace, pitch, and use of filler words. Choose what you want to record. You will see your current browser tabs, windows you currently have opened, or the option to record your entire screen. Once you're finished with your recording, simply click on either Stop Sharing or the Stop button, and you'll be prompted to save and edit your recording or to redo it again. Please note that if you haven't upgraded your account, you'll need to save the recording to your local hard drive. This means you'll need to either work on the same computer every time you want to work on your project, or save the file to an external hard drive, allowing you to access it from any computer that you use. You have a wide range of options to enhance your video, including resizing, cropping, or trimming to perfect your video, adding text, transitions, or selecting from a variety of templates to seamlessly integrate into your media, as well as incorporating video filters, images, or background music, or adding captions for improved accessibility and engagement. Before you start editing your video, make sure to name it. In this video, I'll be including an introduction to make it even more engaging. To add an intro, click on Templates to choose from a variety of pre-made templates. In this case, I will search for Intro to search for intro templates. I will select the lecture video template to customize it. For this video, I will also add a custom image. Once I'm happy with the result, I can export it and begin using it in my class right away. Welcome to Psychology 101. In this course, we will explore the fundamental concepts of psychology, including cognitive. Welcome to Psychology 101. In this course, we will explore the. Make sure to explore all the features available in Clipchamp to make your video stand out, and check out the Clipchamp YouTube channel included in the video description below to find helpful videos that will show you how to use Clipchamp like a pro. Incorporating desktop recordings into your teaching strategy can enhance the learning experience for both you and your students. With tools like Clipchamp, educators can create more engaging learning environments. Desktop recordings offers both flexibility and convenience. Whether you share introductory psychology insights or more advanced topics, using multimedia resources can lead to a more enriching learning experience. So start recording and share your unique teaching style. Your students will thank you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.